Welcome back. This is actually the second take because we had the radio on, and you know, we didn't want Radio 1 kind of going against us because you know we're that big now, they watch us all the time. Anyway, welcome back, another video, Destination Modified, all exciting and stuff. I was in the last couple of videos, so probably lack of views. It's actually quite annoying because there's like 1,000 views, but in my head, lack of views because I wasn't in them. Anyway,
we did kind of miss you, I suppose.
A wee bit. You missed the bloopers, mate.
Yeah, I did.
And
yeah.
I am the blooper, you know what I mean? That's the difference. You always say, wait till the end, here's the bloopers, and then you just show a picture of me. Yeah. That's the blooper.
Yeah, true.
Anyway.
What are we doing today, Callum? Go on.
So we're working on Chris's Evo.
Absolute bucket.
It's falling apart. Nah. Since putting his new wheels on, I didn't fit them, by the way, just putting that over there. It's been catching on the all. You can't really see, you might catch that in the camera, I don't know. Can you?
It's catching the tyre a wee bit.
Yeah. You just, what you can do is these brand new tyres, you just pull the rubber off them. It's fine.
But Chris is a bit of a
so he won't roll his arches because...
Yeah, he's not going to roll his arches. Loser.
Anyway, so we've now got... some nice upgraded springs for the rear coils because the dampening's adjusted fully to its max. Not made a difference, just slightly makes it a harder ride, but like hasn't actually stiffened. Oh, am I not good enough for something? Damn! Kelvin. Damn! Why didn't you say it then? And it's too bouncy at the moment, it sags too much, so it's literally like Chris. Saggy. Sorry, it just brings back memories. Anyway, so we're going to fit these, hopefully they'll stiffen up. And then, aye, we'll be sweet boys. Enjoy.
They said being a mechanic was easy. Callum, 25 years, I would say young, but he's looking pretty old today.
Take a seat. Easy game.
Needs bags. We've emptied the boot.
Yeah. Kelvin. Can't see the footstool.
I don't think he's got enough microfibers, eh, Callum?
No,
you want a couple?
We'll get a roll bag.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
But what if I don't like it?
Oh, you guy.
You guy. Nothing to see here.
NBA 2K Callum.
2K Callum. Get over yourself, Kelvin.
Mate, the camera literally does not pick any of that up.
No, we're not. You cheap out on these things.
Yeah, true.
Only joking, Kelvin.
This camera cost me all my pennies.
Yeah. I've got nothing left. That hurt my wee thumb, eh?
Didn't I?
I know what I'm telling you. Yeah, baby. Ugh, it's a big slice. I almost lost my thumb the other day. Big job.
Didn't ask. Was that splitter that cut your finger?
No, it wasn't a splitter. It was a chrome trim on the back of a Mercedes-Benz GLC 220.
It was going so well until you said 220.
GLC V8 bi-turbo, you know what I mean?
Yeah, basically the same thing.
Oh. Kelvin.
We're supposed to be working on this jalopy.
Aye, but
and then look what's happened.
the thing is, right, I'm charging them 6 hours, so I'm making the fucking most of it.
That's a shot actually, yeah. Did I get half of this?
No.
Oh, right.
Oh my god, Larry, I'm about to flip out on this guy.
That's all
Did you
Oh.
get half it? The car was in here for 7 weeks, mate. And I get half it.
No, wasn't it? There's no video proof at all.
If you just want to check the last videos, you'll see it.
You gotta hurry up.
No, man.
What did you get?
Just a wee spicy chicken fellow and some garlic mayo.
Sure.
It is, I hate spicy. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
That was a funny joke, that.
You take these off, Nick. Always use the ratchet to take these off, Kelvin, alright?
Always use the electric ratchet?
Yeah, always use the ratchet. Much quicker. Oh!
That moved a lot.
Oh! Even the battery's telling me. Warning. Warning.
Warning. Job looks like it's gotta be
I'm joking! Why is that one not filled in? I'm gonna put a nut in there. Just before I lose an eyeball. Are you yawning?
No. I'm just about to fall asleep.
Past the yawning stage. Just use the nice ratchets, not any electric guns to be seen. Ready for it to fall?
Yeah, go
Right,
on.
I need you to grab it.
I don't want to grab it.
Aye, just grab that, see that shot over there. It's actually not going to, it's just like held on with nut. I'm glad you grabbed it.
I've got it, you.
You fucking go in. Get over there. You can let go, you did nothing.
Look at my f***ing hands!
What happened? You get done?
Look!
Oh, bro. Oh, wow. Get feels for you. Tell bro.
What?
Your strength right now.
Alright, go on.
Do it to the cord right now because you're going to have to use your hands. Get them dirty. Kelvin! There's some thick boys.
There's some thick boys. I'd be in big trouble if I tried to put them on my car.
Like them moon boots and that. We can make some.
To be fair, I'm the one that could do with the height, like.
Aye. I tell you what, you'd actually probably about the same height as me instead of me. Anyway. No, I'm the same height as you. Coincidence.
Larry, get the car! I'm done with this guy!
Anyway.
You're a like.
Did you miss me in the last video?
I already regret coming in.
We're going to gun it off and I don't think it's on any tension.
Hopefully there is.
If it isn't, it'd be on video, so it'd be quite funny.
Yeah.
Anyway, ready?
Yeah. I'll take cover behind the box. Bang!
Easy, mate.
Oh. That was anticlimactic.
Don't do that, man. Anyway, so you just take that off that, look. See that? That, we talked about fairly earlier, eh? And then you just take your wee sprig off there. And then you even anyway, so it's 6Ks that are on it. What are going on it now?
You're struggling, you want hand?
18K! Bro!
What?
You went from 6K, right?
To 18.
To 18.
It's gotta be a stiff ride, like.
Oh, it's like.
I could do one of them.
I better not be a hint at me, I do not swing that way. Get a big hey, come on.
If there's any single ladies looking for love, hit me in the comments.
The single ladies. Or men at this stage, I think.
It's been a while.
Right? Come on the camera if you want.
Huh?
And you Kelvin, in here, Kelvin, in here.
I've just kicked
Right.
some over.
So I'm going to fire this strut up, alright? See them 2 bolts there, 2 knots even.
Yes.
I'm going to fire them on. Alright?
Sweet.
Yeah. I think that's it.
That's the way. I'll grab these nuts.
I know I've got a ramp and I could put this up, but you know, sometimes I just think to myself,
Let's just lie on your back and
where is the fun in it, bro?
make life difficult for ourselves.
Yeah, we're all about the life difficulties. Know what I mean? Oh. You ready? I'm gonna gun it, I don't care anymore. Got it, one. Got it.
Easy game.
Got it. Right, before I forget though, right, let's be nutty your belts.
Job done.
Right, that in.
So that is one side done. We've still got the other side to
What are you
do,
doing
but
with
we will
14
not put you through that pain.
Oh.
right weirdo, eh?
How? Mate. Right. You're going to have to fire that nut on again. I know it's your favourite part. Right.
Look at the actual state of my hands.
Kelvin, you take the piss, put your hand beside me in a minute. Go on, go on, put your hand beside my girl.
Aye, that's what grafting hands look like.
Yeah.
These ones.
My hands look like this, so yours can look like that.
Oh, you're one of them. If anyone wants to buy this off Chris and then actually do stuff to it, that would be great.
That'd be good, because we might get a bit of content for the YouTube.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean, because what we've got now is me fitting springs. It took me half an hour.
Yeah.
So in reality, half an hour just for stripping interior. 2 hours per side per spring.
And to be fair, it's a two-man job.
Well, I think that's what you've got to think of. You've got to think of. If I didn't have you, how, you know what I mean? I'd have to get a jack every. It's a nightmare. Eh?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh, Chris is in for a big bill. Like.
Oh, big.
So if somebody wants to buy this off Chris and actually do stuff so we can feature on the channel more, because it is a sick car, he's just a shit owner. It's just how it is, like.
It is what it is, like, you're just speaking the truth. Eh?
Yeah.
You, Chris. Kelvin, you've got to watch yourself these days. You can't lift heavy.
Yeah, true.
You know what I mean?
Just lift with your legs, not your back. Manual handling.
Yeah.
That's it. Nice form.
Yeah.
Very, yeah, I'm a fan of that.
Yeah, let's just, anyway, what else can we put in? Yeah, we're probably going to have to enter this box up, actually.
Yeah, that looks like there's a lot of weight in that.
We'll empty it all one item at a time, put the box in, and then put each item back in one at a time.
Yeah.
We'll put it neatly, because this is tidy. Yeah? I mean, I would not like to know what Chris stays in.
No.
Pigsty.
Pigsty.
Christopher. I won't say it again. Anyway, right.
3 hours later.
Took a bit of time, but we got there. Anyway, probably round that off to 10 hours or something, book time.
10 hours, yeah. Each,
yeah. That's savage, like.
Still need to put the wheels on as well.
Oh.
Let's round it up to 12.
14, 2 hours each. 2 hours a side.
Yeah, that'll do.
Right, man.
Look at the state of this! It's an Evo drag car, bro!
Do the finger testing. Oh!
Ah, Chris, mate! What the fuck's
Oh, sick,
here?
bro! I like it, like. Oh man, that's good savage. Mate, that's different.
That is amazing. I'm a fan of that.
I like it, like.
Fitment on point, lads.
What you've got to do is get your fat ass into your girl. Whoa. There you go, that must have went down by now, is it?
Jesus Christ. That is phenomenal.
I'm telling you, that's.
And that is on the ground, it's not on the ramp.
Oh, that's fully off. Like.
That is quality. Front's looking alright, like.
No, this is just the back, but that needs
some serious adjustment, mate. Say it right now!
Oh, yes. Okay. Right. So, because we were kind of going off-roading, but it's not for that, guys. We're now having to drop it a whole 40mm. Maybe even 2 inches actually, like 50mm. Anyway, we need to drop it a fair amount to compensate for the strength for the new springs.
This is a defeated man right here.
And you think it's going to be a 5-minute job?
Yeah, the 14 hours have definitely went up to 20 because this is a
escalated, mate. This is, you know what I mean? This is savage now, like.
I could date a guy named Tay. I'm tired, mate.
What time is it, bro?
It's like 10 o'clock.
What time is it? We're 9:50, fella.
9:50. Chris, you better appreciate this, you.
I mean, PM, did you see how I had that in 12 hours there? 24-hour format is not my strong point, alright? Just putting that out there before somebody else picks up on it. No joking. Right, so we're at 1:30. We need to go to 90.
Go on, quick maths.
I'm rubbish with maths. Right. Oh.
We will update you when we get this this issue sorted.
Yeah, can't wait.
We're done.
Done. I'll find it down here to see the height of it. It's a bit better, I think.
Much better than what it was.
That better, bro.
So much better.
Ah! Damn!
God damn.
That's better. Ah, can't wait for it to scrub.
Yeah, let's hope that doesn't happen.
Legit, mate. If that scrubs, let me tell you, there's something wrong because that thing's not good. You see how stiff them springs with it?
Yeah, true.
If you get 20k's or 22k or something, and I was like, bro, 18 is savage enough.
Yeah, it's gonna be stiff in the rear, like. Definitely gonna be stiff in the rear.
Oh, okay. Should be.
Right, time for the outro, Callum. Let's do it.
Wait a minute.
What do you mean?
What I'm saying? Paint me like one of your French girls. I'm joking. What you want me to? You want me to give it the all? Thanks for watching. It's been a long night. No, like legit, it has been, isn't it?
Yes.
Anyway,
So let's do this in one take, Callum. Go.
aye mate, easy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, people. Thanks. Be scary.